Hi, Charity with J.Racenstein. We're going to clean some windows. So, take a strip washer. On the outside, it's okay to have it extremely wet, but when you're doing upper windows, you want to make sure that your strip washer isn't so wet that it's just going to completely run down the windows. So, because you're going to have to clean the lower windows as well. So, depending on how much space you have before you're going to go back and clean the lower windows, you might want to keep it a little bit on the drier side. So, don't touch the top. Scrub the window good. Okay? And you're going to switch to your squeegee. Straight pulls are easy. You just put it straight at the top. You're going to dance that around just a little bit. So all you're going to do is make that rubber lay flat, pull straight down. Then at the bottom, you're going to lift up the back of your pole to close out. Tap on the window below so that you knock off any excess that might be on there. Always leave a little bit of an overlap here so that you make sure that you get everything. This size window, I'm going to do 3 pulls down. Again, straight down. Lift up the bottom so that's at the bottom of the pole so that you get it closed out good. Again. Okay. Next, we're going to detail. So, I like these blue recycled towels that J.Racenstein carries. I always fold mine in half. That way there's enough water or enough material there to sop up any water that's extra. And you're going to run along the side, across the top, just to grab anything that you might have missed with the squeegee, and you're done.